Hello friends, welcome to English Smart Academy. Hope you are all doing well. Today I'll discuss noun, its types and usage. In my previous video I discussed general introduction to parts of speech and today I'll discuss specifically noun. Don't skip this video because I have put interesting practice exercises for you in order to see whether you have cleared your concept related to noun. So let's start. First of all, what is noun? Noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Noun helps us to talk about people and objects. So noun is a name of any person, place, thing, or idea, and we talk about these persons, places, things, ideas, concepts through noun. Example: Ali, city, table, happiness. What is the importance of noun in our daily routine life, in our conversation? So noun identifies the subject and object of a sentence, such as the ball rolled down the hill. Here you can see nouns ball and hill are important for understanding the sentence. So a noun actually describes what is the subject and what is the object in a sentence. A noun can be a subject and object in a particular sentence. It makes sentences clear and meaningful. It tells us who or what we are talking about. So for clear communication, noun is very important. Example: the cat sleeps. So here we came to know that who is sleeping? Cat is sleeping. Cat is noun. There are many types of nouns. First and second type of noun here is common noun and proper noun. What is common noun? Common noun can be the general name of anything, any place, any person, or any idea. For example, girl or country. It can be any girl or country, it can be any country. Proper noun, it refers to special name of a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Aisha and Pakistan. So here you can see a particular name of a person and the name of a country. These are proper nouns. Proper nouns always begin with capital letters. So there is a main distinction between common and proper noun. Common noun starts with a small letter and our proper noun starts with capital letter. Concrete versus abstract noun. What is concrete noun? We can see or touch concrete noun. For example, book, car. Abstract nouns, we cannot see or touch abstract nouns. These are just ideas or feelings, our emotions, our thinking. For example, love, honesty. Abstract nouns cannot be seen physically, but concrete nouns, we can see them physically, we can touch them. Countable versus uncountable noun. Countable noun, we can count them. For example, 2 apples, 3 chairs. And uncountable noun, we cannot count them. For example, milk and sugar. So here there is main distinction between countable and uncountable noun. We use plural form of helping verb with countable noun. For example, 2 apples are, 3 chairs are. But we use always single form of helping verb with uncountable noun. For example, milk is complete diet, sugar is harmful for human body, etc. So here you can see with countable noun we are using plural form of helping verb are, and with uncountable noun we are using singular form of helping verb. For example, is. Material noun, it is the name of substance or material from which things are made. It refers to physical matter that can be weighed or measured but not counted, such as wood, stone, cotton, water, gold, iron, salt, plastic, cement, chalk, glass, etc. Collective noun, it is the name of a group of people or things. For example, team, class, herd. Even though a group has many members, the noun is singular. So usually collective noun is singular. For example, Our team is energetic. The class is quiet. So here there are many members in team, in class, but we are using singular form of helping verb with these collective nouns. Compound noun, it is made of two or more words. For example, toothbrush, bedroom, mother-in-law. They create new meanings when joined together. So we can see when two or more nouns are combined, this mixture is called compound noun. Noun in number. Noun can be singular, one thing, for example, car. It can be plural, more than one thing, for example, cars. So we usually use plural forms of helping verbs ending with s or es nouns. Noun in gender. It can be masculine, male, for example, man, boy. It can be feminine, female gender, for example, woman, girl. It can be neuter, non-living things, for example, table, phone, etc. So our noun can be masculine, feminine, or neuter. Noun cases. Noun can be nominative case, where it performs as a subject in a sentence. For example, Ali runs. Here Ali is a noun, nominative case working as a subject in this sentence. It can be objective case where it performs as an object. For example, I saw the dog. Here dog is an objective case and working as an object because who or what thing is seen by me? Dog. Possessive case where it shows ownership, possession, for example, Sarah's book. Articles with nouns a or an. Indefinite article is used with any singular noun. For example, a cat, an apple. So an usually used with vowel sounds and a is used any consonant sound. The definite article is used for specific nouns, for example, the sun, the teacher. So these articles help to make meaning clear. Summary of noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of any person, place, thing, or idea. It has many types and uses. Learning noun improves our speaking and writing skills. This is practice exercise. You are to identify the type of noun in the following sentences. Number 1. The jury gave a unanimous verdict. Jury is collective noun and verdict abstract noun. Laughter is good for health. Both laughter and health are abstract noun. The crowd is very big. Crowd is collective noun. The elephant is an intelligent animal. Both elephant and animal are common noun. The bravery of soldiers saved the day. Bravery abstract noun. Soldier and day, they are common noun. Both words are common nouns. I bought furniture for my new house. So furniture is collective noun and house is common noun. King Solomon was very wise. So King Solomon, this is proper noun. The man was riding a white horse. Man and horse both are common noun. That table is newly polished. Table common noun. I believed her innocence. Innocence is an abstract noun. I need your honest opinion. Opinion abstract noun. Percy B. Shelley was a poet. So Percy B. Shelley, name of a poet. So this is proper noun and poet is a common noun. This dress is made of silk. Dress is common noun and silk is material noun. In this practice exercise, you are to change the gender in the following sentences. Number 1. The lioness was ready to pounce. So here the lion was ready to pounce. The actor performed very well in the movie. The actress performed very well in the movie. The gentleman gave me a chocolate. The lady gave me a chocolate. She was Duchess of Stanford. He was Duke of Stanford. The waiter brought us food. The waitress brought us food. The cock started calling at the break of the dawn. The hen started calling at the break of the dawn. So this was all about from my side. Hope you have cleared your point related to noun. I've also practiced. This was all about from my side. Hope you have cleared your points related to noun, its types and its usage. So if you want to learn more grammatical lesson, let me know in the comment box. Subscribe this academy, share this content with your friends. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.